Welcome to the second installment of our three-part series on beginner yoga poses. In this episode, we will be exploring a new pose and delving deeper into the foundations of yoga. As always, remember to listen to your body and modify the poses as needed to suit your level of flexibility and strength. And as a reminder, always consult with your healthcare provider before beginning any new exercise routine. So, let's take a deep breath and dive into the world of yoga. Seated forward bend, also known as Paschimottanasana, is a yoga posture that stretches and lengthens the spine, hamstrings, and lower back. To perform seated forward bend, follow these steps. 1. Sit on the ground with your legs extended in front of you, feet flexed and toes pointing upward. 2. Inhale and lift your arms up over your head, reaching toward the ceiling. 3. Exhale and hinge forward from your hips, keeping your spine long and your chest open. 4. Reach your arms forward and grab onto your shins, ankles or feet as far as you can without rounding the spine. 5. Inhale and lengthen your spine, pulling your navel toward your thighs. 6. Exhale and deepen the stretch, walking your hands down your legs and reaching your forehead toward your knees. 7. Hold the pose for several breaths, and then release by inhaling and lifting your chest back up. Benefits of seated forward bend include 1. Stretches and lengthens the spine, improving posture and reducing tension in the back. 2. Stretches the hamstrings, thus improving flexibility and reducing tightness. 3. Helps to calm the mind and reduce stress and anxiety. 4. Stimulates the abdominal organs, hence aiding in digestion and relieving constipation. 5. Helps to reduce menstrual discomfort by stimulating the reproductive organs and increasing circulation to the pelvic region. Plow pose, also known as halasana, is a yoga posture that stretches and strengthens the spine, shoulders, and hamstrings. To perform plow pose, follow these steps. 1. Lie on your back with your arms alongside your body and your palms facing down. 2. Inhale and lift your legs off the ground, bringing your hips up toward the ceiling. 3. Place your hands on your lower back for support, and exhale as you bring your legs over your head. 4. Allow your toes to touch the ground behind your head, and keep your hands on your lower back or release them to the ground. 5. Hold the pose for several breaths, keeping your legs straight and your toes pointing upward. 6. To come out of the pose, slowly roll your spine down to the ground, one vertebra at a time. Benefits of plow pose include 1. Stretches and lengthens the spine, improving posture and relieving tension in the back. 2. Helps to stimulate the thyroid gland, promoting healthy metabolism and hormonal balance. 3. Stimulate the abdominal organs, aiding in digestion and relieving constipation. 4. Helps to calm the mind and reduce stress and anxiety. 5. Helps to relieve headaches and insomnia by increasing circulation and calming the nervous system. Cobra pose, also known as Bhujangasana, is a gentle backbend posture in yoga that can help to stretch and strengthen the back, shoulders, and chest. To perform Cobra pose, follow these steps. 1. Lie on your belly with your hands under your shoulders and your elbows close to your sides. 2. Press your hands and the tops of your feet into the floor. 3. Inhale and lift your chest off the floor, keeping your elbows close to your sides and your shoulders relaxed. 4. Hold the pose for several breaths, gazing forward or slightly upward. 5. Exhale and lower your chest back down to the floor. Benefits of Cobra pose include 1. Stretches and lengthens the spine, hence promoting good posture and alignment. 2. Strengthens the back and support the spine. 3. Opens the chest and shoulders, thus improving posture and reducing tension in these areas. 4. Stimulate the abdominal organs, aiding in digestion and promoting a sense of well-being. 5. Reduces stress and fatigue, promoting relaxation and rejuvenation. Puppy pose, also known as Utthana Shishasana, is a gentle yoga posture that stretches the spine, shoulders, and chest. To perform puppy pose, follow these steps. 1. Begin on your hands and knees in a tabletop position, with your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. 2. Walk your hands forward a few inches, keeping your elbows and forearms lifted off the ground. 3. Lower your chest down toward the floor, keeping your hips over your knees and your arms extended. 4. Allow your forehead to rest on the floor or on a prop, such as a block or blanket. 5. Hold the pose for several breaths, feeling the stretch in your spine, shoulders, and chest. 6. To come out of the pose, slowly walk your hands back toward your knees and come up to a tabletop position. Benefits of puppy pose include: 1. Stretches the spine, thus improving posture. 2. Improves mobility and reduces tension in shoulder and chest. 3. Promotes a sense of relaxation and calm, reducing stress and anxiety. 4. Improves deeper breaths. 5. Helps to quiet the mind and enhance focus and concentration. Chair pose, also known as Utkatasana, is a yoga posture that involves sitting back into an imaginary chair with your arms extended overhead. To perform chair pose, follow these steps. 1. Begin standing with your feet hip-width apart and your arms at your sides. 2. Inhale and raise your arms overhead, keeping your shoulders relaxed and your palms facing each other. 3. Exhale and bend your knees, sitting back into an imaginary chair. 4. Keep your weight in your heels and engage your core muscles. 5. Keep your knees pointed forward and make sure they don't go beyond your toes. 6. Breathe deeply and hold the pose for several breaths. 7. To come out of the pose, inhale and straighten your legs, lowering your arms to your sides. Benefits of chair pose include: 1. Strengthens the legs and core. 2. Improves posture and alignment of the spine. 3. Increases flexibility of hips and thighs. 4. Stimulates the digestive system, hence improving digestion. 5. Generates heat in the body, helping to detoxify and energize. A mountain pose, also known as Tadasana, is a foundational standing yoga posture that involves standing upright with feet hip-width apart, grounding through the feet, engaging the core and lifting the crown of the head towards the ceiling, and bringing the hands alongside the body. It promotes proper alignment, strength, and stability in the body, and is often used as a starting point for many other yoga postures. 1. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward. 2. Distribute your weight evenly across both feet and engage the muscles in your legs, lifting your kneecaps and pressing your thighs back. 3. Lengthen your spine, lifting the crown of your head towards the ceiling and tucking your chin slightly. 4. Roll your shoulders down and back, opening your chest and broadening your collarbones. 5. Bring your hands to your heart center or alongside your body, with your palms facing forward. 6. Breathe deeply, relaxing your face and allowing the body to settle into the pose. To come out of the pose, release the arms and gently lower the chin, rolling the spine back down to a neutral standing position. The benefits of Tadasana include: 1. Improves posture and reduces back pain. 2. Increases strength and flexibility in the core and leg muscles. 3. Help to calm the mind and reduce stress and anxiety. 4. Increases body awareness and help to develop a deeper connection between the mind and body. 5. Improve circulation and stimulate the flow of energy throughout the body. Tree pose, also known as Vrikshasana, is a yoga posture that involves balancing one leg with the other foot resting on the opposite thigh. To perform tree pose, follow these steps. 1. Begin standing with your feet hip-width apart. 2. Shift your weight onto your left foot and place the sole of your right foot on the inside of your left thigh, with your toes pointing toward the ground. 3. Bring your hands to your heart center, with your palms pressed together. 4. Engage your core muscles and lengthen your spine, lifting the crown of your head toward the ceiling. 5. Find a steady gaze and focus on a point in front of you. 6. Breathe deeply, holding the pose for several breaths. 7. Release the pose and repeat on the other side. Benefits of tree pose include: 1. Improves balance and stability over time. 2. Strengthens the legs and core. 3. Increases focus and concentration. 4. Enhances body awareness, hence developing a deeper connection between the mind and body. 5. Relieves stress and anxiety. Triangle pose, also known as Trikonasana, is a yoga posture that involves stretching the body in a triangle shape. To perform triangle pose, follow these steps. 1. Stand with your feet about 3 to 4 feet apart and your arms at your sides. 2. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees, and turn your left foot in slightly. 3. Inhale and raise your arms to shoulder height, parallel to the floor, with your palms facing down. 4. Exhale and extend your torso to the right, reaching your right hand toward the right ankle or shin. 5. Reach your left arm up toward the ceiling, keeping your shoulders stacked on top of each other. 6. Keep your gaze focused on your left hand, or down toward the ground. 7. Breathe deeply and hold the pose for several breaths. 8. Inhale and lift your torso back up, bringing your arms to shoulder height. 9. Repeat on the other side. Benefits of triangle pose include: 1. Increases flexibility hips and hamstring muscles. 2. Strengthens the legs and core. 3. Improves posture and alignment of the spine. 4. Stimulates the abdominal organs, thus aiding digestion. 5. Increases energy and reducing stress and anxiety. Warrior One pose, or Virabhadrasana in Sanskrit, is a standing yoga posture that strengthens and stretches the legs, hips, back, and arms. To perform Warrior One pose, follow these steps. 1. Begin in a standing position at the front of your mat. Take a big step back with your left foot, turning it out to a 45-degree angle. Keep your right foot pointing straight ahead. 2. Inhale and raise your arms up over your head, reaching toward the ceiling. 3. Exhale and bend your right knee, making sure it stays over your ankle and doesn't extend beyond your toes. 4. Ground down through the feet, engaging your leg muscles and pressing your back heel into the floor. 5. Square your hips to the front of the mat and lift your chest up. Look up between your hands. 6. Hold the pose for several breaths, then release by lowering your arms and straightening your right leg. 7. Repeat the pose on the other side by stepping your right foot back and bending your left knee. Benefits of Warrior One pose include: 1. Strengthens the legs, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. 2. Stretches the hips, promoting flexibility and reducing tightness. 3. Strengthens the back and arms, improving posture and reducing tension in the upper body. 4. Improves balance and stability, as well as build confidence and focus. Warrior Two pose, or Virabhadrasana 2, is a standing yoga posture that strengthens and stretches the legs, hips, and shoulders. To perform Warrior Two pose, follow these steps. 1. Begin in a standing position at the front of your mat. Take a big step back with your left foot, turning it out to a 90-degree angle. Keep your right foot pointing straight ahead. 2. Inhale and raise your arms up to shoulder height, parallel to the floor, with your palms facing down. 3. Exhale and bend your right knee, making sure it stays over your ankle and doesn't extend beyond your toes. 4. Keep your left leg straight and strong, pressing your left heel into the floor. 5. Square your hips to the side of the mat and gaze out over your right hand. 6. Hold the pose for several breaths, then release by straightening your right leg and lowering your arms. 7. Repeat the pose on the other side by stepping your right foot back and bending your left knee. Benefits of Warrior Two pose include: 1. Strengthens the legs, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. 2. Stretches the hips, promoting flexibility and reducing tightness. 3. Strengthens the shoulders and arms, improving posture and reducing tension in the upper body. 4. Improves balance and stability, as well as build confidence and focus. Thank you for watching our channel. We hope you enjoyed the content and found it informative, entertaining, and engaging. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thank you again for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.